Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. All right, so of course, somehow footage got corrupted. I don't know how this happens, but never mind. This one was at a 2-story home built on a slab dryer upstairs, and it actually has my periscope in it. Now, this one is a very short, and they've had it a long time, and it's been a long time since I've been there. So strap up, let's do it. Okay, so we're in the laundry, as you can tell. Let's look behind the machine, see what we got. Oh, you got a periscope. They got a periscope. Man, it's been so long, I can't remember. And if I had to guess, by the layout of the house, because that's an outside wall, so it should be going out of the back. So let's figure it out, guys. All right, so if I remember correctly, I think that's it right there. Do believe that's it. And the reason I say I believe is because on the other side of the house, there's a bath fan that is missing the louvers. So I can only imagine what stole those louvers. But I'm gonna get some stuff together and we're gonna figure it out. All right, man, and it's hot, boy. So you see, first thing, you see where the vent is right there? See all this stuff? I don't want to mess their stuff up. So give me a few minutes. I'm going to move this stuff out of the way and we'll get to it. All right, so now like normal, we'll go inside, turn the machine on. We're going to test the airflow. We're going to clean it while the machine's going. Let's do it. All right, so like normal, it's already on time drive. Look at there. And then I'm gonna do this. I don't know, not too bad, guys. Yeah, I can see through it. All right. Let's do it. See if I see any air escaping or anything back here. No? Alright, let's do it. So, we have the dryer running. And, hold on now. Let me turn this one on. Alright, so, like normal, take these out. And this thing has pretty decent airflow, guys. So, I don't know, but we're gonna find out. If you can see. Nah, you can't really see, but I mean, you can see that. So, let's check our airflow. All right, so cubic feet per minute. High 11, mid 11s. Okay. You know what time it is. All right, guys, before I get started on this, if you're enjoying this content, please hit that like button. It helps spread the message to farther and farther people. Sorry, that sun. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. That helps me tremendously, and it gives me a little more motivation to come out here when it's hot. Thank you, guys. Wow, you want to talk about a long dryer vent? Woo. There it is. Whew. I was beginning to wonder if we were going to hit the end of this thing. Run through it one more time. While we're out here, before I go back inside, I want to... She said the dryer wasn't drying the clothes, and yeah, there was a lot in there. I just want to see the temperature mainly, you know, because it's almost 90 degrees, 85 degrees out here. We've already increased quite a bit. All right, yeah, 99, and it's steady rising. Okay, so the main thing I wanted to check for was if the dryer was heating, because then that would make sense why it's not drying the clothes. So I'm gonna go inside, pull the machine now. So let's pull the machine. And I know there's some dust back there. So, like normal, I'm gonna put the leaf blower in there, okay? Electric, not gas. Cannot use a gas. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, but not plugged in. I'm gonna push the machine back and let the machine hold it in place. Like that. And then push the machine back. There we go. So now everything's plugged in, or everything's hooked up. Now let's plug it in. So unplug the blower. Pull the machine. Yeah, see, you guys can use a blower as a regular homeowner. Absolutely, even if you don't have a brush. And it's really good to do, but you need to leave it in there longer than I did because I've already agitated the sides. All right, let's plug it back in. And you see that extension of metal goes into that donut. So let's push it back. And see, the benefit of my periscope is you can be off a 1/2 inch to the left or the right. It still will guide it into place. Well, that's not helping you guys at all. Y'all can't see, and I can't. I don't know that I can hold it back there. Alright, so I felt it touch. Now, pushed it in. What does it look like? Oh, yeah. So, now, plug it in. I'm going to go to time dry again. Let's go. All right, guys. Now let's go up and check the airflow. Put those in my pocket. I'm sorry. Hold on. All right. Doodly doo. $15.35 or $15.55, depends on if you're glass half empty, glass half full. Either way, we got way better airflow. Now to put the louvers back in. So you see the nipple on each end, whole hole. So put it in, make a U. Same thing here, put it in, make a U, and put it in, make a U. Why is that coming out? That's weird. Huh. I don't know. I don't think I did that. All right, boys and girls, I think that's going to wrap this one up. I appreciate you watching. Again, please like, share, subscribe. It helps me get my message out to other people. Also, almetaldryervent.com. If you're local in the Charlotte or surrounding areas, talk to me. If you need help, you need service, talk to me. Let's go. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. Bye.